What's the meaning of attenuate? Attenuate. Attenuate.
Attenuate. Attenuate. The word attenuate refers to the process of weakening or reducing the intensity of something. It can be used in various contexts, such as in the field of electronics, where it describes the decrease of a signal's strength as it travels through a circuit or medium. In medicine, it may refer to the ability of a drug to reduce the severity of symptoms or decrease the virulence of a pathogen. In general, the result of attenuation is a reduction in the magnitude or impact of something, which can have both positive and negative consequences depending on the situation.